Hi, this video will show you how to limit the hours for each service availability with Bookly Service Schedule add-on. This way, your services will be available for booking only during exact hours or on particular days of the week. After you've purchased and installed the Service Schedule add-on, activate it in Plugins and make sure to enter the purchase code you received in Settings Purchase Code tab in order to have access to free updates of the plugin. Navigate to the Services section, pick up a service, and set custom service schedule for those of them which are going to be provided at limited hours. Services with individual custom schedules will be available for booking only when the service schedule and staff members' working hours overlap. If you integrate the Service Schedule add-on with the Special Days add-on, you'll be able to change the service availability for particular days in your calendar. Click on Add Special Day and set specific service schedule for the selected day, or make it completely unavailable for booking if necessary. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. Like this video if it was helpful. Feel free to subscribe to our channel and follow the links in the description if you want to know more about Bookly. Have something to share? Let us know in the comment section below. See you soon!